In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Asana, an essential tool for project management, whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your skills in 2025. Let's dive right in. You'll begin by heading over to the Asana website. If this is your first time using Asana, you'll want to create an account. You'll be asked to provide some basic information, including your email address and a password. Once that's all done, you can log in if you already have an account. You'll simply enter your email address and click on the continue button. You'll then be prompted to enter your password. After you've done that, click on login and you'll be warmly welcomed to your Asana homepage. Now that you're logged in, the world of Asana is at your fingertips. On the homepage, look for the option to start a new project and give it a click. You'll be presented with a choice. Either create your project using a prepared template or start from scratch with a blank project. Using a template can help streamline your process, especially when you're dealing with repetitive tasks or need a structured framework to guide your project. But if you prefer to let creativity reign, a blank project offers the freedom to mold and shape it as you see fit. Next, you'll need to name your project. Choose something that reflects the essence or main goal of the project. When ready, hit continue. As you progress, you'll select how you'd like your project to be displayed. Whether you prefer a list format, a timeline, or a calendar view, Asana offers various options to cater to your unique organizational style. Click on Create Project to finalize this setup, and voila, your project has been born. Your newly minted project is now open for business. Start adding tasks to fill up your project. Detail these tasks, assign them to team members, and set due dates to keep everyone accountable and on schedule. Once you've got your tasks laid out, you can even add subtasks to break down larger assignments into more manageable chunks. To stay on top of your workload, head over to the My Tasks section. Here you can view all the projects and tasks you're involved with, giving you a bird's eye view of your deliverables. Take some time to explore Asana's features further. Dive into the Customize section within your project. Here you have the option to incorporate forms, set up rules, introduce custom fields, and much more. This flexibility allows you to tailor each project to fit your team's needs perfectly. Asana's tools and features are designed to foster collaboration, keep your team aligned, and more importantly, help you accomplish your goals efficiently. Enjoy exploring and utilizing this powerful platform to enhance your productivity.